So good afternoon students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this class we are going to see the history lesson 1 revision. Okay, revision for the first test. Okay, so what is the history lesson 1? Sources of medieval India. So when the early medieval period start from? The early medieval period start from AD 700 to 1200 and the later medieval period start from AD 1200 to 1700. Okay, so here the sources were left by the Arab, Persian and the Turkish travelers in the medieval period. Okay. So what are the primary sources? We are having the two sources, is it no? One is the primary sources and another one is the secondary sources. So primary sources means inscription, monuments and coins will come under the primary sources. Literary works, chronicle, biography and autobiography come under the secondary sources. Okay, so see here. Temple, palaces, mosque, tomb, fort, minas and minarets are called by the collectively name monuments. So temple, palaces, monuments, whatever building or architects built over by the king in this period is collectively named as the monuments. Okay, the composition of metal in the coin gives us the information on the economic condition of the empire. So what is the information given by the coins? Economic condition of the empire. Okay, Nalayira Divya Prabandham. There is a religious literature. What are the religious literature? Nalayira Divya Prabandham. Sekilas Periya Puranam. Manika Vasagas Tiruvasagam. So what are the religious literature? Nalayira Divya Prabandham. Sekilas Periya Puranam. Manika Vasagas Tiruvasagam. Okay, and secular literature Chand Bardai's Prithviraj Raso, Kalhana's Raja Tarangini. So Prithviraj Raso was written by Chand Bardai. Raja Tarangini was written by Kalhana. Okay, book biography and autobiography. So what is the Jahangir's Mamaya? Taskai Jahangiri. What is the Badani's history? Tarikai Badani. Jahangir's memories? Taskai Jahangiri. Taskai Jahangiri. Badani's history means Tarikai Badani. Okay. Okay. Take your book, page number 108. 108. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. See the first one. Dash are the inscription writings engraved on the solid surface such as rocks, stone, temple, wall and metal. So chronicles, traveler, coins and inscription. What is the answer? Inscriptions. Okay. And second one, dash was the land gifted to temples. Velan Bagai, Shalaboga, Brahmadeya, Devadana. What is it? Devadana. Okay. Dash period was known as the period of devotional literature. Chola, Pandya, Rajput, Vijayanagara. What is the answer? Chola. Okay, Chola. And see the fourth one. Dash provide the information about the first Sultan of Delhi. Taskai, Jahangiri, Ainai Akbari, Tajul Masir, Tarikai Firista. What is the answer? Taskai Jahangiri. Fifth one. Dash, an Arab-born Morocco scholar, travelled from Morocco to India. Who is it? Marco Polo, Alberni, Domingo Paez and Ibn Battuta. Who is it, ma? Ibn Battuta. Okay. And see the fill in the blanks. Roman letter 2. Dash inscription provide the details about the administration in a Brahmadeya village. What is it? Copper plate. Okay. Copperplate. Copper plate. Dash has stamped the figure of goddess Lakshmi on his gold coin and had his name inscribed on it. Who is it? Who has the gold coin? Muhammad Ghori. Muhammad Ghori. Muhammad Ghori. Okay. And third one, 3.6 grains of silver amounted to a jital, Jital, jital. And fourth one, Das was patronized by the Sultan Naziruddin Muhammad or slave dynasty. Minhaj Siraj, Minhaj, Siraj, Minhaj Siraj. Okay, Minhaj Siraj. An Italian traveller Das visited Vijayanagar Empire in 1420. Nicola Conti, Nicola Conti, Nicola Conti. See the match the following. Khajuraho was in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Khajuraho, Madhya Pradesh. Konark temple is situated in Odisha. Okay, Dilwara temple in the Rajasthan. Virupaksha temple is in Hampi. Okay, ma. Stay true or false. Okay, Pallichandam was the land donated to the Jaina institution. Is it correct or not? True. The composition of metal coins gives us the information on the political condition of the empire. False. Economic condition of the empire. Okay. The high cost of copper made palm leaf and paper cheaper alternatives for recording royal orders and event in the royal court. Is it correct or not? True. After that only they had introduced the copper plate. Okay. Before that they had used the palm leaf only. Okay. Fourth one, Domingo Pais, a Portuguese traveller, visited the Chola Empire in 1522. Domingo Pais visited, he is a Portuguese traveller only, he also visited in 1522 only, but not in Chola Empire, he visited in Vijayanagara Empire. Okay, so it is a false. Okay, see the Roman letter 5, match the statement with the reason tick. Okay, assertion, Muhammad Ghori's gold coins carried the figure of goddess Lakshmi. Is it correct or not? Yes. Reason, the Turkish invader was the liberal in his religious outlook. Correct. Okay. So R is the correct explanation of A. And see the B. Find out the wrong pair. Madhura Vijayam, Ganga Devi. It's correct, is it no? Abul Fashil, Ainai Akbari. It's also correct. Amukta Malyada was Krishna Devaraya. Okay. Amukta Malyada was written by Krishna Devaraya. Ibn Battuta, Tahik I Hind. It's correct or not? Wrong. Ibn Battuta, it's a Portuguese traveller. He writes some travelogues. Okay. So Ibn Battuta is Tahik I Hind. It's a wrong pair. Okay, ma. See the find out the odd one. Inscription, travelogues, monuments, coins. Which one is the odd one? Travelogues. Okay. See Roman letter 6, answer the following. Who compiled the Nalayara Divya Prabandham? Who compiled Nalayara Divya Prabandham? Nadamuni compiled Nalayara Divya Prabandham. So I have written the answer in a very short form. Don't written like this. Don't write like this. Okay. So you need to write Nadamuni compiled Nalayara Divya Prabandham. Okay. Second one. What does the word tusk means? The word tusk means autobiography. Okay, the word tusk means autobiography. And see the third one. Name Jahangir's memoir. Okay, name Jahangir's memoir. How you need to write? Jahangir's memoir was Tashkai Jahangiri. And see the fourth question. I didn't written the third question. Is it no? See the fourth question. Name the two different type of sources for the study of history. You need to write the two different type of sources for the study of history are primary sources, secondary sources. Okay, primary sources, secondary sources. And see the fourth one. Name the two different type of sources for the And fifth one, list out the important mosque and forts constructed during the medieval time. What are the important four mosques? The important mosques are Qatul Islam Masjid, Motki Masjid, Jama Masjid, Fatehpur Sikri Dargah. Just note on the spellings, everything clearly. The important mosques are Qatul Islam Masjid, Motki Masjid, Jama Masjid, Fatehpur Sikri Dargah. And what are the important forts? The important forts are Agra Fort, Chittor Fort, Gwalior Fort and Delhi Red Fort. The important forts are Agra Fort, Chittor Fort, Gwalior Fort, Delhi Red Fort. Okay, see here the last question. Mention the important foreign travelers who visited India during the medieval period. See the important foreign travelers who visited the India. So just write down the important foreign travelers are: first one, Marco Polo, Al-Biruni, Ibn Battuta, Abdul Razak, Domingo Pius. Okay, what are they? Marco Polo, Al-Biruni, Ibn Battuta, Abdul Razak and Domingo Pius. Okay, so Roman letter 6 finished. And see the other thing from the book inside. Velan Vagai, that means land of donations, is it no? Velan Vagai means land of non-Brahmin proprietors. Brahmadeya, that means land gifted to the Brahmins. Shalaboga, land for the maintenance of the school. Devadana, land gifted to temples. Pallichandam, that means land donated to the Jaina institutions. Okay, just study this also. You will be asked for the one words. Okay, and see the Roman letter 8 answer great. See Yama. Das was a co-chair of the Emperor Aurangzeb. Kafi Khan. Kafi Khan. Okay. See second one. Tiruvalangadu copper plates belong to the Rajendra Chola one. Rajendra Chola one. And third one, Das was a land for the maintenance of the school. Shalaboga. Okay. And fourth one, Das compiled Periya Puranam. Answer is Secular. Das compiled Periya Puranam. Answer is Secular. And see the fifth one. So just first I have some old books so that I didn't enter the fifth one. Okay. See fifth one, just listen carefully. Das is an Arabic word meaning history. Tariq, T-A-R-I-K-H, Tariq. Okay, T-A-R-I-K-H. The Tariq, that is the fifth question answer. Das is an Arabic word meaning history. Okay ma. And sixth question, see here, Muhammad bin Tughlaq transferred his capital from Delhi to Das in the south. That's it. Devagiri. Okay, this is for the sixth question. Muhammad bin Tughlaq transferred his capital from Delhi to Devagiri in the south. So, fifth question, what is the answer? Das is an Arabic word meaning history. Tariq, T-A-R-I-K-H, T-A-R-I-K-H, Tariq. Okay, so just read the lesson carefully. Study whatever thing I given to you. Okay. Just study all the evaluation. So the questions will also ask by the one ask in the book itself inside. Okay. So just read the lesson carefully. Okay. So in the next week I will take over the geography lesson revision. Okay. Just come with the preparation. Okay ma. Thank you.